When it comes to business accounting and ERP, two legendary names stand out. But which truly fits your growth story? On one side, TallyPrime. Simple, affordable accounting, beloved by Indian SMEs. On the other, Oracle NetSuite, a powerhouse cloud ERP used by global enterprises. Let's cut through the features and marketing and get straight to what really matters for your business. We'll track both across key categories, each scored so you see exactly who wins and why. The result could surprise you, especially if you think bigger is always better. Let's lay it all out. Here are the categories we're comparing: pricing, features and modules, ease of use and setup, accessibility and platform, security and auditability, integrations and expansion, reporting and analytics, and user ratings and support. Yikes, that's a lot to cover, but trust me, you'll want to hear it all. All right, let's start with pricing. TallyPrime. This one is all about simplicity. One-time purchase or a low subscription, perfect for businesses watching every rupee. Oh, and upgrades don't usually break the bank either. But heads up, when those big upgrades drop, they can get kinda expensive. Now, NetSuite. It's full-on SaaS, flexible pricing that scales as you grow, and all your upgrades are just like included. Sounds fancy, right? But here's the catch. Recurring costs are way higher, and you have to get a quote to see your price, so it's not exactly transparent. If you're budgeting hard, TallyPrime gets the nod here. Moving on, features and modules, which is where things get pretty wild. TallyPrime gives you solid accounting, GST compliance, inventory, payroll, invoicing, bank integration, that kind of stuff. It's reliable, but doesn't stretch too far into the fancy ERP territory. There's not much workflow automation going on. NetSuite, though, oh man, this is heavy duty. Full ERP suite, finance, CRM, supply chain, e-commerce, and then you've got advanced analytics, role-based dashboards, project planning, all the works. But it can be a monster to learn if you're new, let's be real. For feature depth, NetSuite is definitely king. Ease of use and setup. This category really sells TallyPrime to small businesses. Setup is super straightforward. And if you're an accountant or have some experience, you'll be flying through those voucher entries in no time. There's a little learning curve if you're starting fresh, but you'll get there fast. NetSuite, on the other hand, is really built for bigger teams. It's got powerful configurability, but that means you'll need training and probably more hands on deck for configuration. So in terms of getting up and running quickly, TallyPrime just makes your life easier. Here's a fun fact. NetSuite was actually the world's first cloud ERP way back in 1998. Meanwhile, TallyPrime has been helping Indian businesses and accountants since 1986. So both of these have some OG cred. Kind of wild when you think about how far business tech has come. Now, accessibility and platforms. TallyPrime gives you the classic Windows desktop experience and some mobile support, but nope, you don't get browser-based access. So if you want to work from like anywhere on your phone or MacBook without installing anything, sorry, no luck with Tally. NetSuite? Oh, and here's something cool. It's 100% cloud-based. Web, Windows, Mac, phone, browser, whatever. You're good to go as long as you've got internet. It's just way more flexible. So NetSuite takes it home here. Security and auditability. Now this is spicy, especially if compliance keeps you up at night. TallyPrime is decent for SMEs. You get strong data security and some flexible controls. But dig deeper and you'll notice audit trail features aren't super robust, and reliability can be weaker than you'd want in a larger organization. NetSuite is a whole other game. Enterprise-grade security, full auditability, advanced controls, backups, all with tight role-based access. So if you're in an industry where auditability is a must, NetSuite's got you covered. Let's jump to integrations and expansion. TallyPrime. Okay, it does essentials. Banking, emailing, all the basics. But if you want to tie it in with outside apps or pump it up with add-ons, you're kind of limited. NetSuite absolutely shines here. There's this huge ecosystem of add-ons, and it plays super well with third parties and other business apps. Expansion isn't just possible. It's basically expected. Winner here is NetSuite, no contest. Reporting and analytics. This one's easy. TallyPrime handles the standard stuff. MIS reports, GST, VAT reporting, and you can tweak dashboards a bit. But if you're dreaming of deep custom reporting, business intelligence, or real-time analytics, not happening. NetSuite comes in strong. Advanced analytics like Suite Analytics, real-time dashboards, and even AI-powered insights that help with predictive stuff. Honestly, it's a beast if you want analytics. NetSuite is the clear winner for this. User ratings and support, which, trust me, can make or break your experience. TallyPrime support is classic. Phone, email, even tickets. And Indian SMEs seem really happy with it. NetSuite, being global, has massive support channels and tons of guides. Almost too much. But user feedback, it's mixed. The complexity and cost can rub some people the wrong way. Overall, TallyPrime feels way more accessible and friendly here. Let's pause and check out the radar chart. You can really see how each software stacks up. TallyPrime shines where things are simple and budget-focused, but NetSuite's just on another level for advanced features and connectivity. It's a pretty clear picture. So after breaking it all down, here's my honest take. If you're a small or medium Indian business and you just want reliable, straightforward local accounting, go for TallyPrime. It's kind of made for you. But if you're scaling up, need automation, analytics, and want to play in the global league, NetSuite is hard to beat, even though it's pricier and a little harder to tame. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next